Alright guys, so these are bags. This is cute, babe. View this. I put, this is my 10 by 10 room where I do all my business shit. Alright guys, so today is, what's today's day? Today's Friday the 18th and we're back with another motherfucking entrepreneur vlog, baby. Okay, it's the entrepreneur vibes for me. It's trying to get a bag for me. It's not working the 9 to 5 for the rest of your life for me. Okay, period. And so let me just fix the camera. Oh y'all, Assist Lips is looking ashy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I had a friggin' shitty ass day. I just felt really fucking shitty. Like, I just don't know how to explain it. So this is gonna be my first time. So I'm gonna be working with this micro influencer. I'm gonna be giving her 2 free products and I'm also paying her $100. And I spoke to her to kind of get like a analytics report of her follower count, her engagement, her story posts, basically to see how active her followers are. So she basically told me that it's better to do story posts. So all I want her to do is to post 3 times a week. Now, I'm sorry. What the fuck was I saying? I done forgot. What the fuck was I saying? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna print out the influencer contract and I'm gonna just have her sign it. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along on that whole entire journey. Alright you guys, so I'm in my building now. Now I'm gonna go upstairs and get everything started for you guys. I feel so sick. Alright y'all, so I just got in my room. It's a little messy. The work area. Put that over there. Alright guys, I'm gonna fit my waist trainer on. For me, gotta say snatch, but anyways. I'm using this Avery transfer paper right here. I'm gonna face it. Sorry y'all, I had y'all upside down. Okay, so now this is the Cricut. The manifestation box.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.
Alright guys, so I'm putting this in here. Okay. And as you guys see, I'm going to fill this in later, but I just added in this influencer contract template. It's actually 2 pages. And alright guys, so I'm sorry, I don't like how my stomach looks. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to meet with the girl and do my first influencer. So yes, I'm super excited. Alright, so this is the influencer contract template I'm using. And I got this from Google. Hey y'all, so this is the contract. So I'm just getting ready to fill it out so you guys can see me. What the hell I'm doing? Okay. What's today's date? I think today's the 11th, right y'all? What's today's date? I don't know what today is. Okay, I'm sorry. Today is the 12th. View this. I put right here the date, Mind to Matter, iCarly. 3 times a week. And I just signed right there, Mind to Matter, advertisers. Yeah. Oh, let me add the date, y'all. Right, so I'm on my way to her house, guys. Alright guys, we are back with another entrepreneur vlog. I am actually walking because we are gonna go and actually look to see if we can find some wholesale vendors. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. We just got off the train station. And yeah, oh, I also wanted to let you guys know, anytime, like once you got your business license, of course, get your business license first. You can literally write off anything that you pay to do for your business. So like this is for business purposes. So yeah, it's cold. Go up the stairs. It's freezing outside, man. So we are here. Where are we going? We're on 28th Street and Broadway. And I'm trying to find out where he wants to go. Alright guys, so we are in Manhattan now. And y'all know I'm vlogging on my phone. Because I don't have a vlog camera. But we're looking for, I guess, it's wholesale places. Alright guys, we think this might be a store. Okay. Alright guys, so we are here in the wholesale store. And we are just looking around. Oh, sorry. Let's see what they have. Alright guys, so these are bags. This is cute, babe. Look, this is really nice. Oh my god, this is really cute. Really cute.
It's probably your stairs.
Bitch, you got fanny pack?
You got one right here. Yeah. You got the pants to this?
This one.
Just no pants.
Alright guys, so we just finished. Got the bag.
The lady was like, "Stop filming."
We got a full
She
outfit.
didn't know what the fuck is going on.
For $141. Bought some sweatsuits. Just so I could post some pictures and have some new stuff for myself.
Oh, I got
For branding for Mind to Matter, because y'all know I'm very big on branding. But yeah. Getting on the. You got the Metro card?
It's about to go down. Alright. It's about to go down. You always do that. You just
trying to
leave
get
me.
you.
She leave me every time. But guess what? We don't give a fuck. Cause we already paid. Huh?
Y'all some cute mom shit. They got some really cute shit. Like I'm not even talking about. They got even the fanny pack. Like I was gonna go back. All right, y'all. So we are getting ready to move. To show you guys where I'm at with all the bags right there. Judge me. This is how the room look from the outside. Small ass room. But it is what it is. But we finna level up. Oh. But we finna level up. Period. Okay. Y'all see that vision board? You see the vision board? What you can see, I've been had this multiple. I have this thing like this is an apartment. That's what that meant for me. And yeah, manifested my second apartment. Period. All right, guys, welcome back. Today is Friday. I don't know what day it is. I think it's Friday, April 1st. We're 15 days until we move into our apartment. I'm leaving to go to Virginia on Sunday because I start my new job, and my room looks friggin' crazy, y'all. I'm sorry. Whoa. That shit looks friggin' crazy, but I am. So I have all this shit. I'm pretty much packing. And let me give y'all a full view so you guys can see. I'm sorry. So this is my room right now. All these bags right here are packed. These bags are packed. There's some more bags over there. Some more bags over here. This is the bed, as you guys can see. It's fucked up. This is my 10 by 10 room where I do all my business shit, and it's a fucking mess. Alright guys, 2 more days until we officially